everyone, I'm Amanda with Sweet Pieces, and today I want to talk to you about some of the classes that we offer here at the store. So we have one coming up in June, beginning of the month. I think it's June 6th, and it's called our Advanced Techniques class. So excited about this class. Basically, what you are going to learn in this class is that you can take other products to use them to enhance your products even further. So we love painting a piece of furniture with a color of paint or two colors of paint or doing a wash, and that's really beautiful, but you can really take your projects to a whole nother level by adding some of these other products that we carry here at the store. So in Advanced Techniques, we learn a lot about Artisan Enhancements products, and two of the ones I'm going to just quickly show you today are leaf and foil size and pearl plaster. So what we did with this board is we painted it first with, no, I'm lying. The first thing we did was we troweled on VP Antico, which is a Artisan Enhancements products that basically allows you to create texture. So this was troweled through our crocodile stencil to create this raised design. We actually did this for you on a video called How to Work with VP Antico, and we did this same stencil. We did a dresser in it. It came out amazing, so definitely check that out. So on top of the VP Antico, we painted French linen, probably my favorite color in the chalk paint line. And now we're gonna layer on some more products. So when you see designer finishes, you're gonna notice that they're very layered. And that's what taking our advanced classes are gonna help you do, is kind of layer your looks. So what we did was, after the French linen dried, we brushed on leaf and foil size. So leaf and foil size is a glue that makes the surface tacky and sticky. I don't know if you can hear that snapping. But basically once you paint your leaf and foil size on and it turns clear and it kind of snaps, that means it's ready for foil. So this is foil. We carry this here in the store. We sell it by the foot or by the roll. Once you have your leaf and foil size on, you lay this on, you press it down, and you peel it off to reveal the metallic. Now, I can push this on a lot heavier, so basically wherever the foil has not stuck, where the leaf and foil size is, if I keep layering over this, it's going to keep pulling the foil off. So you can see that made it a lot heavier. I can even go back and add more leaf and foil size if I want to make it even more gold. But what I'm trying to do here is maybe just have that gold on the top layer and really enhance that texture a bit. So look how fun that is, and how, I mean, it's just so fun to do foil because it's like instant gratification. So fun. So now I would seal this with one of Artisan Enhancements top coats, either clear top coat, which is going to dull down the finish just slightly, or clear finish if I wanted to maintain the metallic glow. Also, this foil comes in quite a few different colors. We actually carry it in a copper, we carry it in a silver, we carry it in a champagne, a black, a turquoise, and then the gold. So lots of fun. You can do a ton of different looks with this, and again, if you're layering it on top of different things, it makes it even more fabulous. So now let's talk about pearl plaster. This is probably one of my favorite products. If you know me, you know I love glitz and glamour, so anything that sparkles is good in my book. Again, we have that VP Antico here. We painted the coat of French linen, and now I'm gonna just do, I mean, there's so many different things you could do. I'll first do a dry brush. So I dip my brush into a tiny little bit of the pearl plaster, and I'm kind of offloading it, and then I'm just gonna kind of kiss my surface. And again, it's gonna catch on that texture, and it's just gonna highlight it ever so softly. I can even go a little bit heavier and really get it on there. Or the other thing I could do is I could do a wash. So I'll spritz my surface. If you wanna know more about how to do a wash, go ahead, look on our YouTube channel for wash technique, and you'll see that on there. So I've sprayed the water, and now I dipped into my pearl plaster, and I'm just kind of brushing this on. So this is giving it more of like a watercolory type of an effect, whereas this is kind of just catching on the top of it. Now, I didn't think to grab a rag. That's the one thing I bought, or I forgot to bring today. but that's okay. Oh, voila, and a rag. The magic of television. So now I can wipe this back, and I can really just get, like, that overall hue is very pearlescent, and it's still highlighting that texture. So lots of different ways that you can use pearl plaster, lots of different ways you can use foil, you can use the VP Antico. I mean, really the possibilities are endless when you start combining and mixing products. So I hope you'll join us at our Advanced Techniques class. If you're not close enough, you'll just have to follow our videos and order from us online at sweetpieces.com. We'll see you soon. Thanks so much.